New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking some incoming rain here this morning, as well as gusty winds out there, but that should clear out by early afternoon. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam right now, overlooking the city of Utica. Our CAVV tower camera is shaking right now. That's how heavy those winds are here this morning. So we are going to see some rain and wind this morning, but it will be turning a little bit breezy and cooler this afternoon as that rain does clear out. And we will see some chances of snow ahead, especially for this weekend. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing a band of precipitation kind of moving in from the southwest, and it is moving towards the northeast. So this will be kind of moving this way towards the northeast as the morning progresses. But like I said, it should begin to clear out by early afternoon. Here is the radar and satellite showing just that. This cold front is moving through, bringing in gusty winds as well. This rain will be short-lived, but it will be moderate to heavy at times. Let's look at all that on our Skycast. Very warm this morning. Temperatures are in the mid-50s. After that rain moves through, temperatures will drop into the lower 50s, but it will remain mostly clear for the rest of the day. Overnight lows tonight dropping into the 30s to 40s and waking up tomorrow with an overcast sky and temperatures in the 40s. We do have a chance of snow for tomorrow, especially up in the northeast areas. About 1 to 3 inches is expected, but again, this will be short-lived for the time tomorrow. For today, we do have that heavy rain and gusty winds here this morning. We will be clearing out by the overnight hours, and we'll be mostly clear overnight with lows in the 30s. Again, we do have a rain-snow chance mixed for tomorrow and an isolated shower possible on Sunday. Lake effect snow showers do come in on Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It is time to look at some of the events happening.
We're saying good morning to New Hartford and all of the greater Utica region. Thank you to all our veterans. And here is a next look at that rain. We stayed dry yesterday, good thing for Veterans Day, but this morning we are going to be seeing some rain coming in, and that is going to be widespread. We do have a chance of rain for Saturday and for Sunday as well. That will be scattered, and some snow on Monday. There is going to be some snow mixed in with that rain on Saturday, and here's a look at our forecast for the snowfall. In the southern valleys, just a trace to an inch of snow is expected, and nothing really for the Mohawk Valley, but up the North Country, they could see 1 to 3 inches. But once again, it is still a little bit too warm for that snow to stick or have any impact. Here is a look at the weekend ahead. Again, for Saturday, mixed rain and snow is possible for all of our areas. And as we get into Sunday, an isolated shower is possible for the Mohawk Valley. This could be a rain-snow mix. Scattered showers are possible for the North Country. Again, a rain-snow mix. Staying mostly dry for the southern valleys, but an isolated shower is still possible in all of our areas for the day on Sunday. I'll have a look at your commute coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Assemblywoman Mary.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are going to be seeing heavy rain here this morning, as well as gusty winds and temperatures in the 50s, so it is a fairly warm start to the morning. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We do see that our camera here is shaking. Those winds are pretty heavy out there this morning. We will see that rain and wind continuing through the morning, but this should clear out by the early afternoon hours. It will turn breezy and cooler in the afternoon as this cold front does move through, and we do have a chance of snow ahead. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, some of our areas are seeing moderate rain right now. This system is moving slowly towards the northeast, so we will be seeing heavier rainfall here coming up within the next hour or two. But once again, this does all look to clear out by the early afternoon hours. This is moving from the southwest slowly towards the northeast, and it is bringing gusty winds along with it. So if you are getting ready to head out the door, definitely grab that umbrella and that jacket, and just be careful when driving because the winds are pretty heavy and that rain will be heavy as well. But it is fairly warm out there. Temperatures in the mid-50s. As this all moves through, temperatures will drop to the lower 50s afterwards. Mix of sun and clouds here this afternoon with still those breezy conditions. Overnight tonight, lows will be in the 30s. We will see a little extra cloud cover moving in tomorrow morning, and we do have a chance of snow and mixed precipitation, especially tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Before today, we have heavy rain here this morning as well as heavy winds. Temperatures drop into the lower 50s after this cold front does move through. Overnight tonight, our lows are going to be in the 30s, and it will be clearing out with increasing clouds as we get closer to tomorrow morning. We do have a chance of some rain and snow mix tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, and we do have a chance of some scattered showers here on Sunday as well. We do have some snow chances on Monday, especially from lake effect, but we are all drying out on Tuesday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks all lane.
Welcome back. With the rain and the wind and those overcast skies here today, our temperatures will not really change that much from this morning. It is fairly warm. Temperatures are in the mid-50s here this morning. We will range in the low to mid-50s throughout the day today, and just after sunset, we will drop in temperature. But it is fairly windy today, so just be careful of that. It will remain kind of breezy to windy on Saturday and Sunday, and those winds will finally calm down to start the week. So if you are heading out to school here this morning, definitely grab the umbrella. We are going to be seeing widespread rain here in our area, and it will be mostly cloudy. Heading home, we will be clearing up for mostly sunny skies and temperatures still in the 50s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It's that time of year. Time to help us.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are going to be seeing some heavier rainfall here this morning, as well as gusty winds, and temperatures are pretty warm in the 50s. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam. Again, we are going to be seeing some heavier rainfall as well as those gusty winds. As we can see, our camera right now is shaking pretty hard from that wind that is occurring at this moment. So rain and wind here this morning, breezy and cooler this afternoon once this cold front does push through, and we do have some chances of snow ahead. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, most of our area is seeing some moderate to heavy rainfall right now. This heavier band of precipitation is kind of pushing towards the northeast, so we will be seeing this within an hour or so, this heavier band of precipitation, so just be careful when driving here this morning. We can see this band is kind of moving from the southwest towards the northeast, so once again we may be seeing a little bit of heavier rainfall here this morning. But it is pretty warm out there. Temperatures are in the 50s. We are seeing some gusty winds. This looks to clear out by early afternoon hours to breezy conditions, but sunny skies and temperatures still in the 50s. Temperatures will drop into the 30s tonight, and we will see increasing clouds as we head into tomorrow morning. We do have a chance of rain and snow mix tomorrow, especially in the afternoon to evening hours for tomorrow. But for today, we have a high in the 50s. That rain and gusty winds are happening this morning. As we get into the overnight hours, we will be clear, and then we will start to see increasing clouds for tomorrow. A chance of that rain-snow mix is possible for tomorrow, especially in the afternoon to evening hours. We will be tracking this out here at News Channel 2 at 6 and at 9 a.m. But on Sunday, an isolated shower is possible. And on Monday, lake effect snow showers are possible once again as a low pressure system moves back in. Back to you, Gary.
Snow showers, huh?
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing some widespread rain here this morning, but that should clear out by the afternoon. For Saturday and Sunday, scattered showers are going to be possible. On Saturday, these showers could be mixed with some snow. And Monday, some scattered lake effect showers are possible. Again, this could be snow. Here's our updated snowfall forecast for tomorrow. We are expecting a trace to an inch down in the Southern Valley, so nothing really going on there. Nothing in the Mohawk Valley, but up in the North Country, especially on the hilltops, 1 to 3 inches of snow is expected. But again, it is still pretty warm out there, so this snow is not going to stick or really cause a big impact. But for your weekend forecast, for Saturday, again, that mixed precipitation is possible for most of our areas, of rain and snow mix, with temperatures in the 40s for the high. On Sunday, here's where it gets a little bit tricky. An isolated shower is possible in the Mohawk Valley. This could be a rain-snow mix. In the North Country, scattered showers are possible. Again, a rain-snow mix. And the Southern Valley is looking like it will just be mostly cloudy, but again, an isolated shower is possible. Before this weekend, our high temperatures will be in the 40s and the low temperatures in the 30s. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Assemblywoman.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are seeing some heavier rainfall right now, as well as gusty winds and warmer temperatures in the 50s. Let's take a look at our CAPV tower cam here this morning. We are seeing that overcast sky as well as that rain, and the camera is shaking from those gusty winds. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are in the area of green right now, but this band of precipitation, the heavier band of precipitation, is kind of moving in from the southwest slowly and will be affecting our area within the next hour or two. So if you are getting ready to head out, just be careful of some localized ponding on the roadways, as well as these heavy rain and gusty winds. We can see that this is moving from the southwest along with this cold front. This cold front is expected to push through by the afternoon and evening hours, kind of clearing out for the day. Again, very, very warm this morning for the start of November. We have temperatures ranging in the 50s here this morning, and we have a high up in 58 degrees in Evanston, 59 in Morris here this morning, so almost reaching 60. So we are seeing that heavier rainfall right now. As this moves through, this will move through by around noon to 1 p.m. today. We'll be seeing sunny skies in the afternoon to evening hours. Overnight, those temperatures will drop into the 30s with increasing clouds as the morning progresses on Saturday. We will be seeing a little bit of mixed precipitation as well as some snow showers on Saturday in the afternoon hours. This will kind of linger into the evening and then clear out overnight. But for today, we have a high in the mid-50s. That heavy rain is happening this morning. Should start to clear out by noon. We will be clear tonight with increasing clouds and lows in the 30s. The chance of mixed precipitation is possible in the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. An isolated shower is possible once again on Sunday, and those lake effect snow showers along with another low pressure system is possible on Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Good news.
Welcome back. A fairly warm start to the morning. We have temperatures in the mid-50s here this morning. It will not rise really or drop any later on today. We will remain in the 50s throughout the day. Our temperatures will start to drop after sunset. But it is going to be fairly windy out there today. It is very windy right now here this morning. Winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. So just be careful of that when commuting. The breezy conditions stick around for Saturday and Sunday, but it will calm down for the start of your week. So if you are getting ready to head off to school, definitely bring the umbrella here this morning. Temperatures in the 50s with that heavy rain happening, but this will clear out by the afternoon. Temperatures remaining in the 50s throughout the day. And I'll be timing out your weather hour by hour coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It is time to take a
welcome back, everybody. We are seeing some heavy rain and gusty winds here this morning. We also are seeing some strong thunderstorms. Let's take a look at our CAPV tower cam. Can't really see much on that camera. It is overcast skies. We are seeing rain and those gusty winds. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, I am tracking this band of precipitation that just moved through Syracuse, and the National Weather Service put out a special weather statement saying strong thunderstorms will impact portions of western Oneida and Madison and Chenango counties. So just be careful of that this morning. These thunderstorms are producing heavy rain, gusty winds, and localized flooding and ponding on the roadways. As you can see, this band of precipitation is moving along with our cold front from the southwest to the northeast. It is moving pretty fast, so it is expected to move out of the area by the early afternoon hours. Our temperatures this morning are fairly warm because of this system moving through. It does have a warm front attached to it, so our temperatures this morning are ranging in the lower to mid 50s. And look at Evanston at at 58 and Morris at 59, so pushing 60 down in the southern valleys. This is all expected to move out by noon this afternoon, and the sunshine will return in the evening hours. Overnight, we will see increasing clouds with low in the 30s, and waking up tomorrow will be mostly overcast with a chance of showers and mixed precipitation in the afternoon to evening hours. We could also see some snow up in the North Country. This should all clear out in the evening. But for today, we have highs in the 50s. That rain is happening this morning, as along with those gusty winds and those strong thunderstorms. We'll be drying out in the early afternoon hours today. We will see increasing clouds overnight with lows back down into the 30s. Mixed precipitation is possible for the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow, and more scattered showers are possible on Sunday. And on Monday, lake effect snow showers coming back in. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now to a health alert.
Welcome back, everybody. We are seeing some strong thunderstorms, heavy rain, and gusty winds here this morning. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This band of precipitation is producing some strong thunderstorms. There's a tornado warning just south of us near Binghamton, so I am closely keeping an eye on Otsego County because that's the way it is moving, but it could weaken at this point, and this is in effect until 7:45 a.m. But this band of precipitation is fairly strong this morning, and those winds are fairly gusty, so please be careful when driving. Our wind speed is at 15 to 20 miles per hour here in our area, and gusts reaching up to 40 miles per hour. This should all clear out in the early afternoon hours today, but most of our areas will be seeing some mixed precipitation tomorrow and isolated showers possible on Sunday. So again, when you are driving this morning, there are heavy rain, strong thunderstorms, and gusty winds out there, but we will be clearing out by the afternoon. Our high today is in the 50s, and it will stay in the 50s all throughout the day, and we will be mostly clear in the evening. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks.
Welcome back, everybody. We are under a special weather statement right now from the National Weather Service for those gusty winds, that heavy rainfall, and those strong thunderstorms about to move through our area. So here's a look at our Cavity Tower camera. Overcast skies, you can see that rain falling, and you can see it shaking from that wind. And on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, this band is going to be moving towards our area within the next hour or so. And once again, I do want to point out there is a tornado warning down near Binghamton. This is in effect until 7:45 a.m. I am closely monitoring where it goes. It is going to be moving kind of towards Otsego County, but again, it probably will weaken at that point. For today, it will be clearing up right after noon with a mix of sun and clouds and a high in the mid-50s. And overnight tonight, it will be mostly clear. We will see increasing clouds with a low in the 30s. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. The Utica Comets push, and we begin with the weather. A strong storm blew through parts of our region this morning, but that's all to our east now. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is in, and Hannah, actually a tornado warning near Binghamton. Luckily, nowhere near us, right?
Yes, very luckily. That was just to the south of our viewing area here this morning. That came because of those strong storms that we were seeing earlier this morning. But let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar now. Those storms have since weakened and moved off into the east. Right now, we are just dealing with some light rain, and this will continue to move out of the area here this afternoon. On our Mesonet cameras, we see it is still raining a bit lightly out there, overcast skies, a few raindrops on our cameras here. But once again, this is going to all clear out within an hour or so. It will be breezy and cooler this afternoon. So if you recall this morning, our temperatures were in the 50s, pushing 60. Now we are in the upper 40s. So that cold front had dropped those temperatures as it moved through. And we will see some chances of snow ahead this coming weekend. But for today, we will see some sunshine later on. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 40s, and I'll be tracking that incoming snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New this noon, Utica Police.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are finally starting to kind of clear up from the heavy rain, the heavy storms, and those gusty winds that we did see earlier today. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower cam. We are still seeing some overcast skies and some light rain here on our Cavity Tower cam. But again, we are clearing up from the west towards the east. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, We do see the heaviest bands of precipitation has since moved off into the east, and we are now just experiencing some light rain now in our area. We will continue to clear up from west to the east throughout the afternoon this afternoon. And with that clearing up, the cloud cover also clears up as well. As this front moved through, if you do recall, temperatures this morning were pushing 60. Now we are in the upper 40s to lower 50s. After this cold front did move through, it did drop those temperatures. We are in the upper 40s to 50s up in the North Country and the Mohawk Valley. We were in the mid 40s in the southern valleys here this afternoon. It is still a bit windy out there as that cold front continues to push through. It will remain breezy for the weekend, and the winds will calm down for the start of your week. So once again, we are clearing up here this afternoon. We will see less cloud cover in a couple of hours or so, with temperatures in the 40s. Once that sun does set, temperatures will drop back down into the 30s in the overnight hours, and we will see increasing clouds. Waking up tomorrow at 7 a.m., we may see a few scattered showers, especially for the North Country. And those showers do become mixed precipitation throughout the afternoon to evening hours tomorrow. Again, nothing really is expected to accumulate because it is still a bit warm out for anything to stick, but especially the North Country, it may be seeing some snow showers here tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. The snow does look to stick around in the overnight hours, especially for the North Country and the upper part of the Mohawk Valley. Waking up on Sunday at 7 a.m., still a few scattered snow showers and mostly overcast skies. Throughout the day on Sunday, we will mostly remain dry, but as we get into Sunday night into Monday, once again, we may see another round of those snow showers. But it is still a little bit too warm for it to stick to anything, just maybe the grass or certain areas, definitely not the roads. Today, we are clearing up. We did see a high this morning in the mid-50s. We are going to be in the 40s here this afternoon. And tomorrow, we are going to see a rain-snow mix, especially in the afternoon hours, with a high in the mid-40s. We are going to see a few more scattered snow showers on Sunday as well. And we will see snow on Monday, especially in the morning hours. We are drying out once again for mostly cloudy days on Tuesday and Wednesday, and the high temperatures for this coming week are only in the 40s. Back to you, Gary.
Chilly week ahead.
Yes, I mean, those temperatures are around average for November, so.
Yeah, we've been spoiled.
Yes, we have.
Hannah, thanks. New warnings in this half hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are finally starting to clear up here this afternoon from the heavy rain, gusty winds that happened here this morning. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All of that, along with that cold front, has since moved off into the east. We are now experiencing a little bit of light rain showers here in our area, but this should continue to move out from west to east throughout the afternoon. Taking a look at our Mesonet cameras, we do still see mostly overcast skies, a few raindrops on our cameras as well. But again, we are calming down for the afternoon. We will see breezy and cooler temperatures this afternoon. If we do recall this morning, temperatures were near 60. Now they are in the upper 40s here this afternoon after that cold front did push through. We do have some chances of snow ahead this coming weekend, but we will see some sunshine later on. Again, temperatures are in the upper 40s, and I will be tracking that incoming snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A large crop.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are finally starting to clear out from the heavy rain and the gusty winds that we had experienced here this morning. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam. Right now, we are seeing some sun peeking out of those clouds here on our tower camera, and we are not seeing any more rain in our area. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we see that the heaviest bands of precipitation have pushed off into the east along with that cold front. We are just seeing a few light rain showers, especially in Herkimer County right now. We are going to be continuing clearing up from west to east here this afternoon. Along as with this rain clearing up, we will see those clouds start to clear up as well, and we will actually see some sunshine later on this afternoon. It is a bit chillier, though, after that cold front did push through. This morning, our temperatures were pushing near 60 degrees. Right now, we are ranging in the 40s to 50s here this afternoon, and in the mid-40s down in the southern valleys. But again, it is still quite breezy out there. It is going to be windy today, and it will remain breezy for your weekend on Saturday and Sunday. That wind will finally start to calm down for the start of your week on Monday. So once again, we are starting to clear out. Just a few light rain showers right now in Herkimer County. We have temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s here. We will continue to drop in temperature as that sun sets, and just after that sun sets, the temperatures will be in the 30s. We will see increasing clouds in the overnight hours tonight in preparation for some rain moving in, especially in the North Country on Saturday morning. This rain will again move from the southwest to the northeast and could bring a chance of those snow showers if you just saw, especially towards the North Country. This will not look to stick because it is still quite warm out there. The snow showers will kind of remain in the area, especially in the North Country, in the overnight hours into Sunday. And throughout the day Sunday, we will start to clear up. We will see another round of some snow showers Sunday night into Monday. But for today, we have a high in the mid-50s. That actually happened a little bit earlier. Right now, our temperatures are going to be in the 40s to lower 50s for the rest of the day. We will continue to clear up. As we get into tomorrow, our high is only in the upper 40s. A chance of that rain-snow mix is definitely possible, especially towards the North Country and kind of more towards the east. So, like I said, we are going to see some mixed precipitation tomorrow, especially towards the northeast. An isolated scattered shower is possible on Sunday, especially in the afternoon hours. Lake effect snow showers return Sunday night into Monday, and we are drying out for the rest of the week. But once again, our temperatures have dropped into the 40s for this week for the high instead of the 50s as it was last week. This is more seasonable for this time of year. Gary?
So November is finally here then?
Yes, I guess November is here. We are seeing some snow, so
Yeah.
it has to happen sometime.
That's right.
Forecast heading into our weekend. Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis started off as a very wet day, but cleared up.
Yeah, big changes in the weather today. We picked up about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall earlier today from some thunderstorms that rolled through the area. That has all cleared out, and we are looking dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It will be a dry and pleasant evening ahead. Current temperature is 49 degrees with partly cloudy skies, calm winds. Again, a big change compared to what we were dealing with earlier today. Our weather headlines were dry tonight, but the next wave of low pressure is on the way, and this will bring us some rain as we head into tomorrow, changing over to some snow. A quick round of snow Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening, and then another round of snow late Sunday. We'll talk about that and the possibility of some minor accumulation with that coming up. Partly cloudy skies this evening, temperatures in the 40s. I'm tracking that weekend forecast, and I've got a look at that coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Going county by county with the newest coronavirus.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening and happy Friday. We're getting ready for the weekend, and it looks to be an unsettled one. If you're trying to get outdoors, it's not going to be the best weekend for that. A live look at our CAB tower cam, a beautiful sunset taking place. This is looking to the south, overlooking the city of Utica. Again, gorgeous skies, kind of starting out pretty dicey this morning with widespread rain, but that rain has cleared out. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Rainfall today, most areas picking up about 1 inch of rain, especially in the western half of our area. Westmoreland getting 1.13 inches of rain, Brookfield 1 inch of rain, less than 1 inch of rain, Lawrence, Woodgate, Old Forge, and Herkimer, and those totals come from the New York State Mesonet. Weekend forecast, rain and some snow on Saturday. The snow doesn't look to stick, at least for the lower elevations. Temperatures will be in the low 40s. Sunday starts out with a brief round of sunshine, and then the clouds take over. We'll be tracking some showers later in the day. Temperatures will be in the 40s. Local temperatures this evening in the 40s already. Whitesboro 46, Rome 45, Westmoreland 45, Rome 50, Sherburne 47, and Skidivas with 45 degrees. If you're taking the dog out for a walk, should be a pretty nice evening. Temperatures will be in the low 40s, calm winds, and mostly clear skies. Tonight's featured dog is Ziggy. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. Looking at the big picture, cold front continues to march to the east. You can see lots of unsettled weather, scattered rain and snow showers to the west. A large area of low pressure will very slowly drift to the east, and this will impact our weather here as we head into the weekend. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Some rain develops Saturday morning. And I think Saturday will be a wet day. We'll see rain briefly turning over to snow showers in the afternoon and early evening. Even in the lower elevations, I think we can see a quick round of that. We do get a chance to dry out later in the day, and then we'll be tracking some lake effect rain and snow showers across the North Country Saturday night. On Sunday, we start out the day with partly cloudy skies, and then some scattered showers will be moving in later in the day. So again, mildly unsettled here as we head into Sunday with temperatures in the low 40s. Some areas, particularly the North Country, the higher elevations, late Saturday could pick up a light coating of snowfall. In fact, the Adirondacks could pick up an inch or two of accumulation. This generally does not accumulate in the lower elevations of the Mohawk Valley. And again, this is for Saturday evening and into Saturday night. Partly cloudy skies tonight, low of 36. Tomorrow, we're looking at cloudy skies with rain mixing with some snow, especially along higher elevations. Temperatures in the lower 40s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Some showers late Sunday, 44. Light snow Sunday night into Monday. Chilly Monday, a high of only 40. Cloudy skies Tuesday, low 40s. We're dry Wednesday, and then some rain as we look ahead to Thursday. Kristen, coming up in the next half hour, we're going to highlight the days you'll need the snow brush.
Oh, boy. That means the days you're going to need the hat, the mittens, the scarf.
The whole 9 yards.
It's almost that time. And speaking of the winter accessories, a little square, we are going from rainfall to snowfall now.
Yeah, we're getting into that transition season. Good idea to get the snow brush out, maybe start digging out the snow shovel. Probably won't need it this weekend, but we know it's inevitable. Looks like the days that you'll need it would be Saturday during the late afternoon and early evening, just to brush off the car, especially if you live along a higher elevation. Sunday night and into early Monday, you might have to brush off the car as well. Again, we're not talking about big accumulations of snow here, but again, just the fact that it's coming down and it's going to be cold enough for that as we head into the weekend. By the way, our winter weather outlook will be Thursday, November 18th. Join meteorologist Hannah Evans and myself right here during Live at 5 News Hour, where we come up with an estimate of how much snowfall we're expecting for the upcoming winter, along with any trends in temperature. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All is quiet. It will be a pleasant evening, partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 40s. We are tracking some rain and some snow showers as we head throughout the weekend. A look at that forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Keeping an eye on the AP wire, we're following more. First look at the forecast heading into our weekend. Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
We're tracking some unsettled weather as we head into the weekend. It started very unsettled earlier today. Some heavy rainfall producing about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches of rain across our area. The heaviest totals were just east of Utica. New Hartford, 1.55 inches of rain. Clinton, 1.41 inches of rain. And again, lesser totals heading to the east. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is dry. The weather has cleared out since the cold front that came through earlier today. Current temperature is 47 degrees, a light breeze. Our weather headlines, we do remain dry tonight. We're tracking some rain as we head into tomorrow, especially in the afternoon. This does mix with some snow. We actually have a few snow chances as we look ahead in the extended forecast. Partly cloudy skies this evening, temperatures in the 40s. We're taking a look at that forecast heading into the weekend. That's coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Going county by county with the COVID numbers in Oneida.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and happy Friday. It started out very dreary, but the weather has improved. Skies have cleared out, and we're seeing pretty quiet conditions out there. This is a live look at the CAVB Tower Cam as we overlook the city of Utica, and it is looking dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. If you're heading out this evening, no worries weather-wise. The weather looks unsettled as we head into the weekend. Saturday, rain changing over to a brief round of snow. Some rain and snow showers will be developing late Sunday, both weekend days in the low to mid 40s. So again, not the best weekend for any outdoor plans. And you might want to start looking for the snow brush and dig out that here for the weekend. I don't think you'll need the shovel just yet, but Saturday, especially along hilltop locations, we could have just enough snow where you might need to brush it off the car. Same situation here heading into Sunday night as well as early Monday. Alder Creek, 49 or 43 degrees. Boonville, Marjorie with 42. Bill and Old Forge, 41 degrees. Aranic and Inlet with 40. Across Southern Valley, Stewart and Cooperstown 42. Jeff in Mohawk checks in with 45. A large area of low pressure is to the west, the upper Great Lakes. You can see the spin, the circulation with those rain showers and even some snow showers. This will be our weather as we head into the weekend. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Dry tonight. Some rain will be developing as we head into tomorrow morning, and it looks to be a cold rain. In fact, cold enough for a brief changeover to snow starting in the higher elevations. Even in the Mohawk Valley, we may see a few snowflakes later in the day. Temperatures will cool off into the upper 30s by 5 p.m. Some lake effects, snow showers across the North Country Saturday night. And then Sunday is just a generally cloudy afternoon. Some sunshine early in the day. And then a widespread light rain and snow will be developing as we head into Sunday during the evening and overnight. Snowfall forecast, this is for tomorrow during the afternoon and evening. A brief amount of accumulation is possible along the hilltops north and south of the Mohawk Valley. Forecast as we head into tonight, partly cloudy skies, a low of 36. A cold rain tomorrow, changing over to a brief round of snow, a high temperature of 42. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Some showers here late Sunday, 44. Widespread light snow Sunday night and into Monday. Monday's high 40. Tuesday's looking dry and mostly cloudy. Same deal with Wednesday. We'll warm up into the 50s Wednesday afternoon. Some light rain on Thursday. Temperatures in the mid-40s on Friday. Kristen.
All right, Bill, thank you. Still ahead here on News Channel 2.
The forecast tonight, here's meteorologist Bill Cardis.
All right, thanks, Sayara. We're talking about some rain and even some snow in the forecast as we head into the weekend. It is looking unsettled both days. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is dry. Our current temperature is 39 degrees. We saw a decent amount of rain earlier today with a cold front. This is rainfall totals ranging between less than an inch of rain in the eastern half of our area to more than an inch and a half of rain in New Hartford. This rain is done for now. We'll be dry tonight. Weather headlines, rain returns tomorrow. It'll be a cold rain. It turns over to a brief round of snow. And we have not only a chance for snow late tomorrow, but also Sunday night. Tonight, partly cloudy skies, overnight lows in the mid-30s. We are tracking an unsettled weekend. We're also tracking some cooler weather heading into early next week. A look at that forecast is coming out. Sayara, back to you.
Thank you, Bill. Going county by county with the
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside from our CAVV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. The weather is looking dry this evening as we take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and it will stay dry for tonight. Rain will be arriving for Saturday. The rain will be around in the morning through about the late afternoon to early evening, so most of the day looks unsettled. It's going to be a cold rain too, with temperatures only in the low 40s. This briefly switches over to snow, especially in the higher elevations. On Sunday, we start out the day dry. Another round of rain and snow will be arriving as we head into Sunday night. Sunday's high temperature in the mid-40s. So much more unsettled compared to last weekend when we had plenty of sunshine. You'll need the snow brush on Saturday later in the day, especially if you live in a hilltop location, as well as Monday morning. I think the shovel you can leave away for now, but not a bad idea to start thinking about this because we are getting into that season where snow will become more and more common. And in fact, speaking of snow, our winter weather outlook will be given on Thursday, November 18th on WKTV during the Live at 5 news hour. This will be where we talk about how much snow we can expect for the upcoming season and how temperatures will be trending. Join myself and meteorologist Hannah Evans for this. So look at the radar and satellite image. We are tracking low pressure developing and moving in from the west. You can see this big circulation in the atmosphere. This will be impacting our weather throughout the entire weekend. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast turning cloudy tonight. Rain develops, and it starts out as a cold rain Saturday morning. Temperatures will be in the low 40s. Rain will briefly switch to snow before it is done. By 5 p.m. in the afternoon, we are looking at dry conditions, and there will be some lake effect snow north of the Mohawk Valley tomorrow night. And then on Sunday, we will see mostly cloudy skies, generally dry weather. Widespread light rain and some light snow will be developing as we head into Sunday night as well as Monday. One thing at a time, though, let's take a look at snow accumulation for Saturday. Again, this is almost entirely a hilltop event. We're looking at a trace to an inch of snow for the hilltops north and south of the Mohawk Valley. Into the Adirondacks, we could pick up an inch or two of snowfall. And again, this is through Saturday evening. And then we'll have another chance for snow on Sunday night. And that'll be pretty similar to what we were seeing here for Saturday in terms of accumulations. Partly cloudy skies tonight, low of 36. Tomorrow, rain briefly mixing with snow, 42 for the high. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Late day showers for Sunday, light snow Sunday night and into Monday. The weather remains chilly early next week. Cloudy skies Tuesday, mostly cloudy Wednesday up to 52. Rain on Thursday. Some sunshine returns on Friday. Saira.
Thank you, Bill. Coming up next, Steve Bannon.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. Our CAVV tower cam is looking quiet, and so is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're tracking rain for Saturday. Rain starts out in the morning and mixes with and changes over to a brief round of snow. Another round of some light rain and snow will be arriving late Sunday. Enough to brush. We're not talking about any big accumulations here, but again, just the fact that we're talking about snow in the first place starts getting you to thinking about getting out the snow brush and the shovel and eventually the plow and the snow blower. We'll get there eventually. The winter weather outlook, by the way, Thursday, November 18th during the Live at 5 news hour. That's when we'll go over how much snow we think we can get for the upcoming season. The radar and satellite picture shows low pressure approaching from the west. This will be the big weather maker as we head into the weekend. Clouds thicken up tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the mid-30s. Some widespread light rain will be approaching the area as we head into Saturday morning. It's a cold rain and it briefly mixes with snow as it departs to the east. Temperatures will drop down into the upper 30s by 5 p.m. Some lake effect snow is expected to develop and continue as we head into tomorrow night north of the Mohawk Valley. Heading into Sunday, cloudy skies, widespread light rain and snow looks to develop later in the day, continuing into Sunday night. Snowfall accumulation on Saturday, not much in the Mohawk Valley. A trace to an inch of snow is possible north and south of the valley into the Adirondacks. We could see a light snowfall accumulation of 1, 2, 3 inches. More snow is expected on Sunday night. Partly cloudy skies tonight, low of 36. Tomorrow, cloudy skies, rain mixing with a brief round of snow late, high of 42. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. On Sunday, some light rain and snow showers return later in the day. A lot of that falls Sunday night and into Monday. Temperatures will be in the low 40s Monday and Tuesday. Back into the 50s Wednesday with light rain returning on Thursday. Saira.
Thank you, Bill. Up next, it's